Operation procedure for ACER bed mill with Fagor 3-axis CNC control. 1. Turn on power. 2. Release emergency push button. Emergency press signal will disappear. Ready to run control. 3. Home machine. Press the jog button. F4. Press reference search. F1. Press all axes. F7. Press the execute button. Head will start to move up, then table will move towards operator, forward and left. Four. Moving the table to middle of travel. Use auto mode. Press the escape button. Press MDI. Type in X minus 20, Y minus 10, F 30. Press execute. Tables start to move simultaneously using the feed override to control the speed. 5. Moving the table by continuous jog move. Press escape. Select jog function switch to jog move. Press X plus. Table moves left. Press X minus. Table moves right. Press Y plus. Table moves towards the operator. Y minus. Table moves away from operator. You can vary the table speed by feed override, push rapid button, and direction for rapid move. 6. Incremental-Jog-Move. Select jog function switch to 100. Press X plus. Table move incremental. 7. Spindle Control. Put in manual mode. Main. Put switch to forward. Adjust the speed. 8. NC mode. Programmable RPM. Put in NC mode. Press MDI. Type S1000 M3. Press the execute button. Push spindle stop. Push spindle reverse. Press spindle stop. Press spindle forward. Press spindle override plus for higher RPM. Press spindle override minus for lower RPM. Press the reset button to stop spindle and to cancel the RPM to 0. 9. Brake for tool change and reset auto move. Press electronic brake. Reset forward reverse switch. Conversational Program. Press Shift Escape. Press 0 blue hotkey for home. Press the execute button. Move table to middle position. Press position key, blue hotkey. Type in X minus 13. Enter. Y minus 6. Enter. F 20. Enter. Press escape. Press the execute button to work. Press escape twice to move to main page. 12. Simple pocket program. Press S7. X minus 13. Corner X coordinate. Enter. Y minus 6. Corner Y coordinate. Enter. L 3. Pocket length in X. Enter. H 2. Pocket length in Y. Enter. Z 0. Part plane. P minus 0.25. Depth. Enter. I 0.25. Step in Z. Enter. F 20. Enter. S 1000. Enter. Clockwise. T1. Enter. Our tool setup is ½ inches. Increment 0.25. Enter. Press escape. Press the execute button. Z go to 3.4875. Press the execute button. Tool calibration T1. Move the tool to tool change position. Type in X minus 14. Press enter. Type in Y minus 6. Press enter. Press the execute button. Type T2. Do the tool change. Press the execute button. Put in T2. Press cycle start. Move to the parts. Press F1. Tool calibration. Move the quill down to touch the part. Press Z. Press enter. It will input the Z number from the memory. Cursor down to R, radius of the tool. Type 0.25. Press enter. Check the library. Press shift escape. Press tables F5. Press tool offsets F2.